Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today I am here to discuss about the overthinking. What is this overthinking? Overthinking is thinking about the same problem or about the same thing for a long period of time. So I can explain you in the detail by taking a small example. One of my friend has applied for the admission for her daughter in a prestigious school. So her daughter has cleared the admission test, interview and everything. But the school management has informed her, so we'll let you know within the 2 days. So now she has to wait for 2 days. But my friend was always thinking about the admission. That 2 days she was totally into that thoughts like what will happen, whether she will get the admission or not, what will happen if she'll not get the admission. So she was always thinking again and again about the same thing. So of course she has got the admission in the school. That's the another issue. So here she was thinking she was losing her time to spend with her daughter. She was not living in the moment. She was not happy. She lost her precious time of spending the time with her family because always she was thinking about the same problem again and again. So this overthinking leads to the depression. If you observe the depressed people, they will their mind will be always thinking about the same problem again and again. So finally they will fall into the depression. So overthinking is not at all good. See, if you have done a certain thing, yes, do that and just forget it. Don't expect too much from that. That what will happen, that whether I will pass the exam or not, if you have written exam, how many marks I will get, what will happen if I fail. See, don't let your mind always question yourself. Don't let your mind get these all negative thoughts. Stop the negative thoughts. So now we have known that overthinking is not good at all, and the overthinking leads to the depression. Now, how to stop this overthinking? What we should do to stop this overthinking? So, first step to stop the overthinking is let go of the past. Past means, for example, yesterday you have done something you have done, and that has lead to some other thing. So just forget it. Yes, you have done a mistakes. Learn from the mistakes. If we do mistakes only, we'll know what mistake we have done. So you have done the mistake and don't think about it again and again. Array, why I have done that mistake? If would I have not done like that, it would have become very nice. Why I have done this? Why I have done that? So please don't let these thoughts come into your mind. If you have done the mistake, accept it and learn from it. Don't repeat it again. Instead, always thinking about that and making yourself depressed and losing your precious time. So the first step is let go your past. And the second step is live in the moment. In the moment means now what you are doing, enjoy the moment. Don't think about the future means after 1 hour what will happen, tomorrow what will happen, day after tomorrow what will happen, how will be my future. See, don't let these thoughts come into your brain. Just enjoy the moment, enjoy what you are doing at present. Next is third one is take control of your emotions. Control your emotions. Train your brain to control your emotion, and this controlling the emotions is possible only through the meditation. So make a habit to meditate at least for the 10 minutes. Take the time of yourself and meditate and control your emotions. Train your brain to control your emotions. And the fourth one is think about the solution, not the problem. Yes, some problem has come. So think how to solve it, because for every problem there is a solution. If you always start thinking about the problem, how you'll find the solution? Think about the solution, not about the problem. Next, fifth one is ask questions to yourself. Ask questions: what I am doing, why I am thinking like this, why I am getting the negative thoughts, and divert your negative thoughts. And the fifth one is negative emotions can lead to the positive outcomes. So convert your negative thoughts to the positive one. For example, if you are getting a negative thought, take a deep breath. Think about some happy situation which you have spent with your friends and families. Like that, convert your negative things, negative thoughts to the positive thoughts. So, if you follow these tips, you can stop the overthinking, because overthinking is such a bad thing that it depresses us so much. It also affects our brain, our mental health, and also our physical health. And not only that, it spoils our surroundings, our family also. So please stop the overthinking and try to be positive always. Divert your negative emotions to the positive outcomes. So I think you have liked this video. So please watch the video. Please like, share, comment, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.